How does fractional investing in shares and ETFs work? How are your fractional investments protected? And is investing in fractional shares risky? All these and many more questions just like them on fractional investing will be dealt with here in this video. So first, let's start off with the basics. What are fractional shares? As a recap, fractional shares are a type of instrument which enable you to invest in parts or fractions of an investment that is less than a whole share. Does XTB offer fractional investing? Oh yes, we do. This can help you invest smaller amounts into publicly traded stocks or ETFs which have a much larger market value, such as Tesla, Amazon, or Meta. At XTB, we offer fractional shares investing across multiple instruments, including US shares, EU shares, and UK shares, as well as ETFs. Are fractional shares a type of derivative? Simply put, no. At XTB, we don't treat fractional shares as a type of derivative. While fractional shares cannot technically be treated exactly the same as a whole share, because you cannot have a voting right of half a share, at XTB, we grant our clients a fiduciary right to a fraction of the benefits of a whole share, such as dividends, stock splits, rights issues, and other corporation actions. What instruments can I buy fractional shares in? As stated previously, we currently offer fractional shares in a wide range of stocks and ETFs. To see which shares have fractional investing enabled, please refer to our instruments table. Are fractional shares investing commission-free? Yes, we offer both fractional and regular investing in shares and ETFs at 0% commission. How are my fractional shares protected? We protect your fractional shares investments in the same way as your whole shares. In doing this, we keep your shares in a fully segregated custody account. Fractional shares will safeguard these investments in a separate custody account with the shares held in trust on your behalf, where you have a fiduciary right to the ownership benefits on a fraction of a whole share to which you have invested. Can I still earn dividends on my fractional investment? Yes, you're entitled to the economic benefits of a fractional share in the same way as a whole share. Okay, but what rights will I not have in owning fractional shares versus a whole share? You will not benefit from certain rights which are only applicable to whole share owners, such as voting rights or attending annual general meetings or exceptional general meetings. What are the tax implications of owning fractional shares? As per the government's website, you may have to pay capital gains tax if you make a profit when you sell shares or other investment. The amount of capital gains tax you pay will depend on your income and the amount of profit. When a client places a trade on a UK stock exchange, they are charged a stamp duty tax. This is a tax that the UK government applies to the purchase of certain assets, including stocks. This is collected by XTB and paid directly to HMRC. Simply put, if you receive dividends from fractional shares, you may have to pay tax on those dividends. However, this will depend on your current income and the amount of the dividend. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to keep up to date with the latest trading and investing news.